Do you have missing shingles? Do you have home insurance? Then you may qualify for a new roof paid for by your insurance. Let us help. Here's how it works. We provide a free roof inspection, and create a report for your insurance company. Once they approve our report, we begin working on your new roof. We will walk you through every step of the process. We are a locally owned company helping local families. We use the best quality materials to ensure the best protection for your home. Don't wait until it's too late. Give us a call now at 808-627-2760. That's 808-627-2760. Your new roof awaits.